Today we'll show you how to install the REESE Anti-Rattle Kit for the REESE M5, part number 58563. The REESE Anti-Rattle Kit is specifically designed to eliminate noise and rattle when the M5 is fastened to the truck's fifth wheel base rails. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. During the installation, we'll be using the following tools. With the REESE M5 removed from the truck, begin the installation by assembling the anti-rattle rod pins to the fifth wheel. Do this by sliding a rod pin through the open hole on the M5's footplate. Then loosely secure the rod to the footplate using the provided castle nuts. Repeat this process to secure all 4 rod pins. Next, place the M5 into the base rails of the truck. Do this by aligning the tabs of the legs into the fifth wheel mounting slots of the base rails. Secure the hitch to the rails using pins and spring clips. When securing, be sure to pin both the tabs and the anti-rattle rods. After the hitch is secured, hand tighten each castle nut on the foot plates. With a 24mm wrench, tighten the castle nuts at least half a turn further so the hole in the rod end aligns with the slot in the castle nut. Place a provided linch pin through the assembly, then close. This wraps up the installation for the REESE Anti-Rattle Kit for the M5. For more information and other great products from REESE, visit REESEproducts.com.